once we transplant the hairs, once we implant them into their recipient sites on the top, they're gonna usually fall out. So 2 or 3 weeks after the transplants, all the scabs are gone, and the hairs that were transplanted, the little ones, are starting to fall out. So that's when I usually get a phone call. If I do, is my hairs are all falling out. So no matter how much we warn patients beforehand about that, they usually call us. It's a normal process. They start going back and growing in about 3 or 4 months. They have to develop their roots again, and that's why it takes so long. Once they start growing, 3 or 4 months, they'll keep growing longer and thicker, and they don't all come out at the same time. You have these waves of growth, so it's a very natural transition. It doesn't look like a chia pet that grows everything at the same time. So it's a very natural phase for the patient. At about 8 months, the hairs are already longer, they're getting a little bit fuller, but not quite final result yet, which doesn't happen until 10 to 12 months.